it a better place with my own two hands. Make it a kinder place with my own two hands. With my own two hands. I can make peace on earth with my own.
Hey Presley, time for a bath.
Antonym, I'll like a quick shower cause it's better for the earth.
Two hands, I can reach out to you with my own two hands. With my own two hands. With my own two hands. I'm gonna make it a brighter place with my own two hands. I'm gonna make it a safer place with my own two hands. I'm gonna help the human race with my own two hands. With my own two hands. With my own two hands. I can hold you in my own two hands, and I can comfort you with my own two hands. But you got to use your own two hands. Use your own two hands. Use your own two hands. And with our own two hands. With our own two hands.
I only did this much Jetson Road and I got this much garbage.
It's not that unusual when everything is beautiful. It's just another ordinary miracle today. The sky knows when it's time to snow. Don't need to teach a seed to grow. It's just another ordinary miracle today. Life is like a gift, they say, wrapped up for you every day. Open up and find a way.
Don't litter because it hurts our world. And don't litter because that's bad.
Like every time a raindrop falls, it's just another ordinary miracle today. Birds in winter have their flame, but always make it home by spring. It's just another ordinary miracle.
We're going to plant Brussels sprouting cabbage. The package says to plant the seeds half a centimeter deep, so that's what we're going to do.
Hold them close to your heart, 'cause we are all a part of the ordinary miracle. Ordinary miracle.
Clean the earth.
Do you wanna see a miracle? Ooh.
done, Ollie?